前兩日改文嘅時候，有同學咁樣寫 ：An ambulance arrived immediately, comma, they sent the injured pedestrian to the hospital。呢位同學將中文嘅逗號同英文嘅 comma mix up 咗，其實兩個嘅功能完全唔同嘅，因為英文嘅 comma 係唔可以用嚟分隔兩句獨立句子嘅。如果兩句獨立句子，我哋要點樣處理呢？要用 full stop 分開兩句獨立句子。當然，我哋亦都可以用 coordinating conjunction 去連接起兩句，變成 an ambulance arrived immediately, comma, and they sent the injured pedestrian to the hospital。另外一種更加進階嘅句法就係用 semicolon。An ambulance arrived immediately, semicolon. They sent the injured pedestrian to the hospital. 不過同學要注意，用 semicolon 有一個先決條件，呢兩句一定要 closely related， 一定有一個緊密嘅關聯，我哋先至可以用分號將兩句連為一句。